Hi, today we got Renault Capture 2013 0.9 petrol. So we want to change the starter motor. It's located underneath this manifold somewhere there. So for this we need to open its front end off. Headlights, this bumper, and underneath this is the starter motor. Yeah. To open the bumper, first of all you need to undo this lock, and underneath the wheel arch, this is the, I guess it's a 20 T20. Open this one, and same on the left side as well, and the bumper will be free. On the top there are just T30 as well. This 6 on the top. Undo these one. After removing the bumper, just make sure there is if the car's got fog lights, so on the left hand side there is a grip. Just undo this grip and that's it. So bumper is off now. So after that we need to remove the lights. This is 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter 2, and must be on the bottom. Yeah, it's 1 millimeter this one. Yeah, 3 for this light and 3 for the right side light. And after that, front lights, so one is 30 millimeter bolt is here, one 30 millimeter bolt is here. So one is very small, it's 10 millimeter under this small round here. So open this one. So after the headlights and the small stuff here, open this bumper in Forza. 3 bolts this side, 3 bolts this side, and undo this small pipe. Yeah, that's 10 millimeter under the radiator pack. Yeah, this one. Yeah, open this small 10 millimeter bolt. Yeah, and your radiator pack will be free. Yeah, in if you got enough space. Yeah, after this you can open the starter motor. So I advise you to open this air hose pipe that's coming from the intercooler to throttle body. Yeah, so this, it's got 2 10 millimeter bolts. One is there and one is underneath here. Yeah, so open this one, and because very small pipe, it's very soft. Yeah, it can damage anytime. Yeah, it's gonna be charged a lot of money by the dealer, because new car, so. And also I advise you to open this water housing, the top one. Yeah, leave the bottom one, just need to open the top one, and the radiator pack will be moved forward, and then you will have enough access to get the starter motor. Yeah, I got access to the starter motor now. It's 2 bolts, not here. One is 10 millimeter, and underneath here another one is 8 millimeter. Yeah, maybe you can't see this one, that's very difficult place. This one, yeah, 8 millimeter as well. Yes, open this 2 bolt and your wire will be free. Yeah, 2 30 millimeter bolt. Yeah, and after that your starter motor is ready to free, and you can take this out. Yeah, just with carefully method, because it's got one pipe for the water cooler and second one is wire for the alternator and rest of thing. Yeah, so this is the just way. If you're a mechanic, just try this one. If you know, don't try the car, because 100 of things. Yeah, they're it's very sensitive. If you touch without carefully, they're gonna damage any time. So I don't know why they make so difficult for opening this starter motor. Even if you need to open the alternator, the procedure is the same. Yeah, you have to open all the front for this Renault Traffic 0.9 petrol 2013. Thank you for watching video.